So we're getting ready to replace the air strut on this Mercedes S-Class, and this is a 4MATIC. It's a 221 chassis. You have 3 bolts on top. You remove those. Those are 13mm nuts actually that you need to remove, and then you remove the air line. That's a 10mm nut right there. You loosen that up and it comes off. Down here at the bottom, the connection here in the 4MATICs, it's a ball joint type, as seen here. You can see that that's a ball joint, and this is a 4MATIC strut. Now you gotta be careful because on the rear wheel drive, even though the strut is the same, the connection down here at the bottom is slightly different. Okay, the next step is we need to remove this nut here that connects the air strut to the lower control arm. This is a 21mm nut, and you do need to disconnect the wire here for the air strut. It's right here. There's a clip right here. You lift that up and you unplug both, actually, the ABS and this air strut. And right here is the wire. There are two. They're together with the ABS sensor. So what you need is you need to move this clip up. Once you do that, you can simply just push this out. The upper control arm disconnected from the steering knuckle. Once you disconnect it, this will come off. You can see this comes right off, and that gives you enough room because this part here is a lot bigger. If you try to pull that down, you're going to damage the sensor here for the wire harness for the level sensor, because it's right on the way. So but besides that, it's pretty simple, straightforward. And make sure before you're reinstalling your strut, this plate on top here, make sure you have that back. For the installation procedures, see the step-by-step instructions below.